Welcome, in front of me is a Realme C53, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which will, if we press it together, there we go, we'll bring up our boot options, and from here you want to hold power off. When you do, it will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed, and they will be restored when you reboot again. I'm going to select OK. This will obviously reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will be automatically in safe mode. Now in that mode, what it means by third-party applications, it means that any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off, and neither you nor the phone will be able to run that app as long as you are in safe mode. Now once you reboot the device again, everything will go back to normal, so don't worry, this is just a temporary mode so you can troubleshoot your device. But once you're done and you reboot the device, everything will work fine. Okay, now that the device is back on, let's unlock it, and you can see we have a marking right here, safe mode, so we are aware that we're in this mode. Widgets won't work here, and let's see, on the second page we have a bunch of applications that are temporarily disabled. So we can see Facebook, which arguably Facebook was disabled right from the start, but okay. Then we have a couple other like Amazon, TikTok, and so on. And the way you can obviously define these apps, as you can see, they become monochrome and transparent. So when you try to open them up as well, it gives you this pop-up right here. So we are aware that these apps will not work and only the default ones will. Though that could probably be also incorrect to some extent, because there will usually be some applications that come with the device that are also turned off and that won't run in this mode. But anyway, like I said before, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal, hold your power button and volume up again. And this time around, select restart. Once the device reboots, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.